viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to focus on properties of multiple number types. So usually in the lower classes we'll have natural numbers, and when we are growing into the next classes we have whole numbers, integers. So each and every number system has its own properties. So what are all the properties we follow when we are solving the problems? Usually there are two kinds of properties we have. Mainly we use addition properties and multiplicative properties. We have subtraction properties and division properties also, but we will focus more usually on the addition properties and the multiplicative properties. So, when we are focusing on natural numbers, what are all the properties we have in addition? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, and additive identity. These are the main four properties we have in terms of addition. So the same properties we have for whole numbers: closure, commutative, associative, and additive identity. So when it comes to integers, in addition properties, closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity, along with that additive inverse will get added. Why? Because this is a set of positive and negative numbers including 0. So when multiplicative properties we have in natural numbers are closure property in terms of multiplication, associative property, commutative property, distributive property over the addition, and identity. These are all 5 properties we have in natural numbers under multiplication. In whole numbers also, same properties are repeats: closure, associative, commutative, distributive, and identity. And in integers also, same properties we have: closure, associative, commutative, distributive, and identity. So these are the main properties we have for natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. First of all, what is closure property? What is commutative? What is associative? We'll go through that. So first we'll discuss in addition. What is closure property in terms of addition? Addition properties. Closure. Example, if A comma B are two natural numbers, A comma B are two natural numbers, then A plus B is the whatever the product we have is also a natural number. A comma B are two natural numbers. A plus B is also a natural number. This is called as closure property over the addition. So if it is whole numbers properties, if I say A comma B are two whole numbers, then A plus B is also a whole number. This is closure property over the addition in whole numbers. In the same way, if A plus B are two integers, A comma B are two integers, A plus B also an integer. That means it changes the number system, but the abbreviation is always same. A comma B are if two natural numbers, A plus B is also a natural number, is closure property. A comma B are two whole numbers, A plus B is also a whole number, is closure property for whole numbers. A comma B are two integers. A plus B also an integer. That is closure property under addition for integers. Only the number system changes, but the abbreviation remains same. Now, commutative property. So, I'll explain for natural numbers. So, that is first the whole numbers as well as the integers also. Commutative property. For commutative property, if A comma B are two natural numbers, A plus B and B plus A is also a natural number. This is commutative property. Here, if example A is 2, B is 3, A plus B is B plus A, 2 plus 3 is 3 plus 2, this is also 5, this is also 5, 5 is a natural number. This is commutative property. What is associative property? A comma B comma C are three natural numbers. A plus B plus C is A plus B plus C also a natural number. Example, A is 2, B is 3, C is 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 2 plus 7, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 9 is a natural number. This is associative property under the addition for natural numbers. This is how we do closure property, commutative property, associative property for addition. In the coming session, I will explain you what are multiplicative properties for natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Please watch my videos, share and subscribe. Thank you.